Lesson 2 Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. Evaluation part. Students, in last class we completed the second lesson. Now let us see the recap. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. Next one. Landscapes can be divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Next one, plains are found along the rivers and the coast. The coastline of Tamil Nadu is shared by 13 districts. Tamil Nadu has tropical climate. Forest can be grouped as evergreen forest, deciduous forest and swamp forest. Okay children, now let us see the evaluation part. Choose the correct answer. First one, which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Karapet National Park, Sundarbans National Park, Ratnambur National Park. Answer, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Answer, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Second one, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at options Aravalli Range, Himalayan Range, Nilgiri Hills, Vindhyas Range. Answer, Nilgiri Hills. Students, I think many of them remember that Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hills. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hills. Third one, the topmost branches of trees form a chain called. Do you remember the structure name, students? Let us see the options. Sunlight, forest, canopy, mangrove. Answer, canopy. The topmost branches of trees form a chain called canopy. Based on this structure, forest also divided. Fourth one, Tamil Nadu has dash. What type of climate Tamil Nadu experiences? Let us see the options. Extreme winter, highest rainfall, tropical climate, snowfall. Students, anybody can try the answer? Yes, you are right. Tamil Nadu has tropical climate. It was most of the time we feel very hot climate alone, isn't it? Fifth one, dash are found in the place where there is heavy rainfall. Can you find the answer? Which type of forest will be located there? Let us see the options. Deciduous forest, evergreen forest, swamp forest, none of them. Yes, you are right children. The answer is evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. Next, match the following. Let us see the left hand side. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Suruli waterfall, India's first sea bridge, Pichavaram, Tamil Nadu's coastal line. See the right hand side. Pamban Bridge, Western and Eastern Ghats, Theni, third longest in India, mangrove forest. Students, now let us find the answers. Okay, first one, mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu. Answer, Western and Eastern Ghats, because that is the only Ghats in this section. So that is the answer. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats. Next one, Suruli waterfall. Suruli waterfalls is located in Theni. So the answer is Theni. Third one, India's first sea bridge. India's first sea bridge, Bamban Bridge. Fourth one, Pichavaram. Pichavaram, I think you may remember the answer. It is, yes, very good. It is mangrove forest. It is very famous for the mangrove forest. Fifth one, Tamil Nadu's coastal line. It shares the 13 district and it is the third longest in India. Third longest in India. Tamil Nadu's coastal line, third longest in India. Again I am saying the answers. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats, Suruli waterfall, Theni, India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge, Pichavaram, mangrove forest, Tamil Nadu's coastal line, third longest in India. True or false? First one, Tamil Nadu is the 7th largest state in India. Yes, the statement is absolutely true. So the answer is true. Tamil Nadu is the 7th largest state in India. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. Children, please think that whether Tamil Nadu is located in the west. Yes, you are right. It is wrong. It is located in the south of India. So the statement is false. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. Answer false. Third one, Kurinji flowers bloom once in 2 years. The statement also false because it blooms once in 12 years, not 2 years, it 12 years. So this statement also false. Fourth one, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. Yes, this is the exactly correct statement. The answer is true. Fifth one, deciduous forest do not shed leaves. No, it is a false one because that is the main speciality of this kind of forest. Deciduous forest always shed their leaves, but here they given us do not. So the answer is false. Deciduous forest do not shed leaves. Answer false. Again I am reading. Please listen. Tamil Nadu is the 7th largest state in India. True. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. False. Kurinji flower bloom once in 2 years. False. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. True. Deciduous forest do not shed leaves. False. Next, answer in short. First one, name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Children, please think about the map and we can find what are the states sharing the boundaries with us. First one, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. These 3 states shares boundary with Tamil Nadu. So, name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. Second one, what are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? Answer, the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu are mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. These are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu. Please try to write the full statement because some of them writing only the landscapes. You should not write like that. Form a sentence and write. What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? The different landscapes of Tamil Nadu are mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Third one, what are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? Answer, the different plains in Tamil Nadu are river plains and coastal plains. Again I am saying, what are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? The different plains in Tamil Nadu are river plains and coastal plains. Fourth one, name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Children, we learnt about the 4 waterfalls, isn't it? So, let us write the names. Okanaikal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Suruli waterfalls and Vattaparai waterfalls. Fifth one, describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. Answer, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. Students, already we learned that Tamil Nadu experiences the tropical climate, that is explained in words here. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. Sixth one, differentiate evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Evergreen forest, first point, the evergreen forest found in the areas of heavy rainfall. Deciduous forest, the deciduous forest found in the moderate rainfall area. The second one, the trees do not shed their leaves. Deciduous forest, the trees shed their leaves during dry season. Again it started to grow. So that is the main difference between these two types of forest. Okay children, that's all. Second lesson over.